How to block apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down the list until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on it. This specific menu is where you can manually block or limit specific apps, features, and content. At the very top of the Content and Privacy Restrictions screen, you will see a switch. Tap on the switch to turn on. Inside this menu, find and tap on the Allowed Apps and Features option. You will see a list of default apps. Find the app you want to block and tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. After turning the toggle off, the app's icon will be removed from your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily block apps on an iPhone.